Again here 8 plus 2 power 3 is 8 times 12 divided by 4 in bracket minus 6 divided by 3. Here 8 plus 8 is 16 times. Here 12 divided by 4 in bracket minus 6 divided by 3. Here 16 times 12 divided by 4 is 3 minus 6 divided by 3. Here 16 times 3 is 48 minus 6 divided by 3. Here 48 minus 6 is 42 divided by 3 is 14 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operation, this 14 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this PEMDAS rule from order of operation. This is a bracket, higher priority. This is exponent. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. Also this addition subtractions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce another rule called left to right in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in the correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Here, as per this order of operations, PEMDAS, the bracket is higher priority. So we have to do this bracket before any other operation. So 8 plus 2 power 3 times, here 12 divided by 4 is 3 minus 6 divided by 3. The next priority is exponent here. We have exponent here is 2 power 3. We have to do this 2 power 3 before any other operation. So 8 plus 2 power 3 is 8 times 3 minus 6 divided by 3. Here the next priority is multiplication and division. Here we have multiplication here and division here. First we have to do this one. So 8 plus 8 times 3 is 24 minus 6 divided by 3. Here we have addition, subtraction and division. Division is higher priority than this addition and subtraction. So we have to do this division before this addition and subtraction. So 8 plus 24 minus this 6 divided by 3 is 2. Here we have addition and subtraction. Here addition and subtractions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we have introduced this left to right rule. Here left to right is this 8 plus 24. 8 plus 24 is 32 minus 2. Here 32 minus 2 is 30 is the correct answer.